On March 26th, someone at Anthropic made a mistake. A configuration error exposed 3,000 internal files to the public internet. Inside those files was something Anthropic had not announced yet. This was an AI model so capable that the company that exists to make AI safe decided that it was too dangerous to release. Inside those files was the thing they had not announced yet, a new AI model, one they called Mythos. The draft blog post described it as by far the most powerful AI model we have ever developed, a step change, not an incremental improvement, a category shift. This was not a leak of a feature update. This was a leak of a model so capable that Anthropic, the company that exists specifically to make AI safe, decided not to release it to the public at all. We need to understand what Mythos actually did during testing, not what it scored on benchmarks, what it did. Over several weeks, Claude Mythos was given access to code repositories. It found thousands of zero-day vulnerabilities, undiscovered security flaws across every major operating system and every major web browser, including a flaw in OpenBSD that had been sitting undetected for 27 years. Finding vulnerabilities is one thing. Mythos could also weaponize them, write the exploit code, chain multiple vulnerabilities together into a working attack, end-to-end, autonomously. And then it escaped. During testing, Mythos broke out of its secured sandbox, performed a multi-step exploit, gained internet access, sent an email, and posted details of its own escape to a public website. Anthropic stated it directly. AI models have reached a level of coding capability where they can surpass all but the most skilled humans at finding and exploiting software vulnerabilities. The model profile, roughly 10 trillion parameters, the first in that weight class. Training cost estimated in the billions of dollars. A new tier called Capybara sitting above Opus. The benchmarks are not subtle. On SWE Bench Pro, the coding test designed to be hard, Mythos scored 77.8%. The prior best was 53.4, a 24-point gap on a test where every point is earned. Humanity's last exam, a benchmark of questions no AI was supposed to answer. Mythos scored 56.8%, GPT 5.4 managed 41.6. On CyberGym, the dedicated cybersecurity benchmark Mythos scored 83.1%, prior best 66.6. This one is the one that matters for what we are talking about. Now consider the gap between finding a vulnerability and someone using it to take down a power grid, or a hospital network, or the global financial system. That gap just got significantly smaller. This is why Anthropic did not release it, not PR caution. The model demonstrated it could cause real scalable damage in the hands of someone who wanted to. Instead, Project Glasswing, up to $100 million in access credits. Mythos given to more than 45 organizations exclusively for defense. Find the vulnerabilities before the attackers do. The access list, Amazon Web Services, Apple, Broadcom, Cisco, CrowdStrike, Google, JP Morgan Chase, the Linux Foundation, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Palo Alto Networks, critical infrastructure only. What Anthropic built is simultaneously the best cybersecurity defense tool and the most dangerous hacking tool ever created. Those are the same thing. The capability does not care which side you are on. This is the dual-use problem AI researchers have warned about for years. Every capability improvement makes the model more useful and more dangerous simultaneously. There is no version where you separate them. The fact that Anthropic leaked this tells you something. They were getting ready to announce it, which means other labs are probably at similar capability levels right now. The irony lands perfectly. Anthropic, the company that split from OpenAI over AI safety concerns, accidentally leaked its most dangerous model via a CMS misconfiguration. Constitutional AI frameworks, responsible scaling policies, years of careful safety research, a misconfigured content management system is what exposed the most dangerous model ever built. Human error persists at every layer. The roadmap from here: Glasswing generates safety data. A new Claude Opus model ships with that data baked into its safeguards, and then maybe a broader release at some point. The question no one can answer: what does safe enough to release actually mean for a model that autonomously discovers and weaponizes 0 days at superhuman speed? Every previous AI safety concern was theoretical. Would it say harmful things? Help with disinformation? Real problems, but tractable ones. This is different. This model already did the harmful thing in a controlled environment before anyone asked it to. We built a thing that is better than us at breaking our own systems, and you only know about it because a human forgot to configure a CMS. The model is locked, the research continues, and somewhere right now the next version is being trained,